love or who has ever maybe just dealt with somebody and you kind of put your effort and depended on them. You know you could have did it yourself, but at the end it just ended up being a disaster.
Oh man,
disaster.
That's none of us in here.
Disaster. Disaster. Natural disasters. Tsunamis, hurricanes, earthquakes, tornadoes. These are all disastrous events that are beyond our control. Inevitable to happen. At least that's what I'm told. Disasters. Disasters. Self-inflicting disasters. Reliance, dependency, expectations in others. These may all feel good at first, but they'll be devastating in the end. When you realize you cannot control the true nature of your family and friends. Why depend on them when you could depend on yourself? For the true nature of your vision can be seen by anyone else. So, get to work. Put in the work in all that you see. For what is an alliance when the reliance is weak? Give me a moment. Nature depends on itself for a number of reasons. But who do you depend on in Mother Nature's most disastrous seasons? Control your own works. Be natural all the way to the end. Here's a life lesson in my poem, Mother Nature Lost Her Best Friend. Mother Nature lost her best friend. She's filled with gifts, all plentiful and bliss. Both eyes watch when she unwraps, for he knows not what he'll miss. She knows what he wants. She knows that it's her. It never rains in the desert, still her water quenches his thirst. He begs for some food to nourish his word. So she reigns in the desert, and food grows from the earth. Blind and naive, he knows not what he sees. For the water of her reign is her iniquities. He believed in her grace, though famished he'd come. He suffered in pain, deceived by her love. Devoted to her, he sails to her heart. But the watered mirage in the desert tore his voyage apart. Oh, why, my queen? Oh, why do you do? Fill my heart up with dreams that will never come true. I'm leaving, he says. I'm done. I'm through. For you hurt me, my love. Still, I wouldn't wish this on you. They watered rain when they cried, all through the night's end. This is the day Mother Nature lost her best friend. Thank you.